The Wonder Wardrobe course is 6 years old, and I want to celebrate this 6 year anniversary through the eyes and capsules of 6 Wonder Wardrobe students. I want them to tell you their stories and how their capsule wardrobes came to be. Today I will be chatting with Mariana from Spain. When she joined the Wonder Wardrobe course, she did a lot of work and she created 4 seasonal capsules for the whole year. She did it once and she's still enjoying her Wonder Wardrobe. Welcome, Mariana. Before the course, maybe you tried some other tricks, what worked, what didn't.
Well, I think like many people, you check, different things all the time because you have this problem with your wardrobe that you are not completely satisfied and you are trying new things and you buy and you don't know and you feel lost. And I love organization, everything that when you organize stuff for me is like because it's such a pleasure when everything is organized and functional and always follow, for example, this like minimal capsule wardrobe with like this how do you say them, this gray and mute and white and black, no, because I like minimalistic, style. But then I feel like yeah, but I miss the color, but I don't know which colors and all of this. So I think I discovered your videos, and well, the videos with the paintings are so beautiful to see and so inspiring and so creative also, like how can you make art, no, how can you be creative with your closet, no. So then when I saw that you were offering a course, I check it, and at the beginning I was like, oh no, I'm not going to spend this money, like. But then, I continue watching you, and it was like one day I was like, okay, I'm going to do it because everything that you say had so much sense, and it felt so nice, in my eyes and in my thoughts, like, oh, this makes sense. So then when I started to take the course, it was like, yes, finally a method that works. So I'm telling everyone, I'm speaking about this with many friends. Like, you have to do this, it's amazing.
How does your life looks like now, at least in fashion wise?
I get compliments almost every day.
Oh, that's
You know,
nice.
yeah, like, oh, it's so nice. Oh, this color. Oh, you look so beautiful. Oh, you have so much light. I mean, I love now that yeah, it's under control. I When I see my clothes, I like them. The first is everything that have, I like it. And then if I don't like something, is I know why. It can be the color, it can be the fabric, it can be the how it shapes my body. It's very, very comfortable. This summer, for example, I was missing summer clothes for very hot weather. So I went to a second hand shop in Barcelona, and in half an hour I found everything. I was like, this, boom, 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 and perfect. And I'm using everything so under control and comfortable, and I feel beautiful because I like the colors. I can be more creative also with the colors. I'm not afraid to have, like this orange, no? Like maybe before it would be like, oh, orange, I don't know.
Wow, that sounds amazing. That sounds like exactly what I wanted to achieve with the course, and it just gives me so much joy.
I mean, for I think, well, color palette for me is the my favorite, because it's so nice to see the combinations of the colors and how rich you can make your color palette in any palette, eh? Even like sometimes you check winter, no? Oh, let's see how they do, and then you check autumn. And yeah, part in your course when you analyze what you need for your life. That was like so smart and so simple. Why no one is speaking about this?
Yeah,
It's like, okay, what I do in my
exactly.
life, I do this and this and this. How many of it? Boom, 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 pa, pa, pa. And then you see, it's so simple and so smart.
I don't know if you've been in the classroom lately, but we've made it automatic now. We have like a quiz now that
Ah,
tells
okay.
you how many outfits you need. So before we
Yeah.
had the template, you had to write down everything, which works. But now we have this quiz really quick,
Okay.
like 2 minutes and it's done. It's like, okay, you need this much.
I'm living in a van, you know, so I have a very
Ah,
small space for clothes.
so you need to minimize and minimize.
Exactly. And I love it. I
Okay,
love it.
without compromising.
I reduce a lot the clothes. I mean, I
Hmm.
remove many things that I didn't like and I never used, of course. And this thing in the mornings, like I check and it's like, today this, boom. Oh, I love it. I love it. When you feel like, oh, I don't know what to wear today. Okay, I check the visual guide and boom.
Mhm. Do you have any wishes on how we can improve Wonder Wardrobe in terms of the content, community, or anything?
I think it's really good with the topics. And at one point, you removed one topic, and I don't know if it was like autumn color, autumn palette, and we were like panicking, like, no, we need the autumn. I don't remember which one was.
Hmm. Yeah, because I have to always
Panicking. We were like, no, Daria, don't remove this.
with it back. Yeah, it happened a few times. Where are those videos? Like they are not relevant anymore. No, they are relevant. Put them back.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yes, but I try now not to touch too much the course because I see it works and people really learn a lot from it. Maybe sometimes I do I'm being a bit judgmental and be like, this video could be done better. This could have been done better. But then I see that all students are happy with that, and I try not to intervene too much. Or I have to ask now if I can remove something from my course
Yeah,
or not.
yeah, no, no, ask us. And you know one thing also with the clothes, that it goes farther than you think in your mental health and peace, you know? And
Mhm.
that's something that you don't realize until you analyze it, you know? It looks very superficial, like, oh, I'm going to do a course about how I dress. It's like, oh, this girl has so much time to do this, you know? But
Mhm.
then when you do it, it's like, wow, it's so important how we dress, you know? It's like we know this, but we are not aware, you know? That's why it's so helpful, you know, because time you save money and you take care of your mental health in a way.
Yeah. Oh, it was such a joy speaking with Mariana, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We have many, many more examples of different capsule wardrobes from women around the world, from different backgrounds, different countries, different lifestyles. And that's the beauty of the Wonder Wardrobe course. We have so much diversity and so much creativity, and we celebrate it every day. If you've ever wanted to join the Wonder Wardrobe course, now is the perfect time because we prepared a very special gift for this 6-year anniversary. To find out what it is, please go to our website wonder-wardrobe.com. The Wonder Wardrobe students and I can't wait to turn your closet into a Wonder Wardrobe. I'll see you soon in the classroom.